Blah, blah, blah. Read about them.
Well,
Not currently. It was like at least.
have you ever tasted one? You said they don't taste good, but you don't know.
No, I studied about them. I think they're really cool.
What did you learn about hyena?
She
2 years
she
ago.
thinks that their temperature is low.
What? Or no. 2 years ago, yeah. So,
I think she's dancing with her memory.
yeah.
Oh, now there's a fine diet.
But they don't like to. They would do it if they don't have any other food, though. H-Y-E-A-N. Wait, H-Y-E-A-N-A-S. Yes. Hyenas.
Don't forget the yes.
Haha, you're welcome. Time that is small.
A mini time.
No. This was a riddle. In the
That's
cat.
why you were Wonder Woman.
But how was that? How was that little
Maybe you heard it through the grapevine.
Wonder Woman 1984? Yes, I know that.
Yeah. A little bit north. Huts East. What? It's very slippery.
Mom, come down.
Oh, look at it. Wow. That looks cool.
I like the sound that Jack makes. But that's cool.
Anybody home?
Look.
Hello. Rock cut through it.
Yeah. It's like the last one is right there.
Fine. But your hand's warm. I'm gonna keep hanging on. Hey, Jack. Are you having fun? Catching a few brief moments of joy out here, huh? Oh, look, the man's still there.
Now I'm trying to figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see up in the castle. Oi.
I love my oying, Mama.
Oi is French for... I've never tried one. Pizza Hut, Dairy Queen, Travel Plaza.
You want to get Chinese food at Travel Plaza?
No, I don't want.
The choice that makes like girls happy.
Well, I do not want Pizza Hut because I'm not into pizza. Nor do I want.
What do you like, Papa?
I already mentioned my like. The process of finding out what I like, basically. It's a slow process.
Well, I think I want Burger King or KFC.
You did not hear what she said.
No.
We're going to try
He's
the
talking about
Impemba effect with
Oh,
colors. With colors
Oh,
this
right.
time.
But you think it's still cold enough?
Yes, it's very cold.
It will probably be cold enough tomorrow morning. I don't know if there'll be sunshine then.
Wow, that car has been in some rough times. They got a whole bunch of stuff.
Morning, or if we want to try and get an early start tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning is no school morning. And I'm also not going to go to school on Monday because I don't want to.
Why is Monday holiday?
That's what you think.
Am I gonna get peanut butter shake?
I know I'm not going to be going to school tomorrow.
Well, we agreed that you weren't going there. There was agreement on that.
And I'm not going to do school on Monday.
Papa, I have something for
What's
you.
this in my lap?
Happy birthday, Papa.
Looks like a Valentine's Day gift.
Oh yeah.
Valentine's too. Happy Valentine's.
You have a
And
Band-Aid and then
happy anniversary, Papa.
Oh, that's right. Happy anniversary.
what is the anniversary?
10th.
I think it's a caramel box. A caramel.
Oh, it's hot in here.
Yep, it's caramels. Bananas and food coloring and a paper plane. A wannabe paper plane.
I come with a goofy girl.
So, Papa,
Hmm.
Anne said she wants this.
Too bad, because that's where I'm going.
What is what?
Where's my peanut butter shake?
You don't want a peanut butter shake.
Eating chocolate.
What kind of chocolate is that?
This ain't chocolate. This is a paper plane wannabe.
Stick grief, that's a bunch.
What's your most favorite hotel?
That we've been to?
Mm-hmm.
Ramada.
Why?
Or actually, maybe it was Robert's Mansion.
Yeah, that one. And what else? I like Red Lion too.
Oh yeah, those were my 3 favorites.
How about in the Philippines?
Holiday Inn.
What else?
That's the only one
Do
I
you
really
remember the fancy? How come I forgot the names already? I don't remember.
I only remember Holiday Inn because we were there like at least once every week. It was fun, but kind of getting boring. Really miss doing that, just playing all those games.
In the arcade?
Yeah, I miss going to that. I miss the
And
arcade.
did you miss going to Thunderbird?
What's Thunderbird?
We went swimming there in the pool.
It's a hotel.
And we stayed there too.
And also in
You give Mom a wave.
and also in that winter town.